Hello and welcome to the Onshape tutorial for beginners. Today we'll be taking a deep dive into Onshape, a powerful cloud-native CAD software that lets you design anything, anywhere, on any device right from your web browser. Onshape is a 3D modeling software that requires no downloads or installations and gives you pure design freedom. In this video, we are going to get you started with the absolute fundamentals. We will cover things like sketching, dimensioning, extruding, and even adding some final touches like fillets and chamfers. By the end of this video, you will have created your very first 3D part. In order to make our 3D model, we have to have a document first. So go to the top left blue rectangle that says create and click on it. It'll then ask you to name your document. Name it whatever you'd like. Now you should be in a screen that looks similar to this. In order to make your 3D part, you're going to want to start to align yourself to the top plane with the cube in the top right. Then you will hit the sketch tool and select the top plane. Now you will hit the line tool and start drawing lines on how you want your part to look. If you want your part to look a certain way or be a certain size, you can use the dimension tool to make the dimensions accurate. To use the dimension tool, click both lines of the side that you are trying to dimension, left click, hit the number that you want to dimension it to, and then hit enter. You can do the same thing for the top to bottom dimensions. For example, here I'm doing 5.5 inches as my dimension. Once you are done with your sketch, you can hit the green check mark in the top left. In order to make our part three-dimensional, we must use the extrude tool, located in the top left of the screen. Once you click the extrude tool, it'll ask you for a face to extrude. Select the shaded in area of the first sketch. You can change the height using the depth bar or using the arrow, dragging it up and down. Once you are satisfied with your extrude, you can hit the green check mark. In order to add or remove new parts, you can select the sketch tool and select the face of the extrude as a sketch plane. Here you can draw an arc, a circle, a rectangle, or even a few lines on your extrude. Click the green check mark when you are satisfied. Now, hit the extrude tool again and select all the parts that you have just sketched. Now, select the remove function in the extrude. It is important to make sure that this remove goes all the way through the bottom. Once it has done that, click the green check mark. In order to make the side or edge of a part round, you need to use the fillet tool. Once you click the fillet tool, it'll ask you for entities to fillet. Select the lines that you would like to make rounded. Once you click on them, you can see that they are rounded. Once it is to your desire, you can click the green check mark. To make sides flat, you use the chamfer tool and click the sides that you want to make flat. Once you are satisfied with the chamfer tool, you can hit the green check mark in the top left. Before we wrap up part 1 of Onshape for beginners, I have a challenge for you guys to design. on screen, you can see this little pyramid. I want you to do your best to recreate this pyramid using chamfers, fillets, the extrude tool, and sketches. It doesn't have to be the exact dimensions, it just has to look similar. In the next video, I will show you a quick and simple way on how to construct this. Thank you for watching part 1 Onshape for beginners. I hope that you come back and view all the other parts, and if you enjoyed this video, consider giving me a like and following for more content. I will be posting more parts soon, and may even make an advanced Onshape tutorial. Make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any tutorials.